Hello y'all. I'd like to share a couple pointers on one of my very favorite sunscreens, which is using loose minerals. Loose minerals as an SPF is one of the best things that you can do because they wear so incredibly well and they look so natural. I wear it on the beach in Mexico or Hawaii, hiking. It doesn't get in your eyes because like how sweating with cream sunscreen can actually irritate eyes. So runners love this, or just wears beautifully. It can wears beautifully even if you're going in the water. When you get out, you just have to pat instead of rubbing. So many reasons why I love the mineral SPF, but mainly looking super natural and getting incredible good SPF. So this is an SPF 50. I use Bella Donna, so that's what I'm gonna share with you. I mainly wanted to put this video out there to give pointers on how to use it appropriately because there are some flaws with the brush, just period all around. I've used several different lines over the years. I've been doing this for over 20 years. And also to make sure that you actually get the tips on how to use it appropriately, how to clean it, and how to not make a mess in your bag traveling with it. So, number one, this is how the brush comes. So when you close it, you just pull this up so you don't mess up the bristles, and then okay? And so then that's how you open it up. And then there are two other things to note. There's an O and a C. And so O, I was already playing with this earlier, so I have it on all the way open. You shouldn't do that when you close it. And then C is all the way closed, okay? So when I'm gonna use it, I put it all the way to O, to open, and two things make it come out. So gravity and movement. So you're gonna turn your brush and your head up and your brush down, and movement. And so to get enough coverage, if you can count for like one side of the face, you can count to 6, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, slowly like that. I started, and then do the other side. That would be enough SPF. For the face, what else do I want to tell you? Application, cleaning. So to clean the brush, because of the fact that it has built-in powder, you can't get this wet like you can clean your other makeup brushes. So what you need to do is have a little brush cleaner. So I have this one here, I'm gonna show you. You can, and then I would put the brush on all the way to closed. Take a cloth. I like to use a washcloth because you can use a Kleenex, but it can be a little harsh. And just spritz your spray cleaner right on my invisible washcloth, right on your cloth, and then you would just kind of wipe over the bristles to disinfect it and to clean it. So that's really helpful. Once the brush is empty, you can refill these, but once it's empty, you can actually clean it by running water through it and leaving it out to dry and such before you refill it. But this is how you have to do it in the interim while you're using it. And finally, this bottom piece right here, you need to be careful with when you're traveling with it because it can come open. So I kind of like check it periodically to make sure it's tight. And if you're worried about it or just want to be extra cautious so you don't have a hot mess in your bag, because minerals do wear incredibly well, they're hard to get off of anything, you could carry it in a plastic bag. So that just can be a little remedy for you. And then also just some kind of like tips and tools for using it. It can be a little tough to get it started. So you may have to like shake it, and doing it upside down, shake it, and then you should see the color coming out, or go like this to confirm. I have it closed right now because this is a new one I'm not going to open. And then you could also, tap it, open this, close it if you needed to just kind of get it started. So I hope you enjoyed my tips and tools and that you enjoy this sunscreen as much as I do. Lisa Eddy, LisaEddy.com. Please subscribe if you like what I'm sharing. I'd love to have you.